Hello, I hope you are all doing well. This is a photo of me back in May of 2010. I was literally living on the streets with bags and guitars and skateboards and water bottles, and it was adventurous. I was having actually a lot of fun. But I was also getting high and drunk and was smoking a lot of cigarettes at this point in my life. And in 2021, I bought my first house. I stopped drinking. I stopped smoking cigarettes. I stopped getting high years before all of this happened. And I was making slightly better decisions. I was just making a better choice, which led to another better choice, which led to another better choice. And I was getting out of my comfort zone the entire time this was happening. I didn't stay with my normal choices. I didn't say, I'm going to continue to get high and drunk and smoke cigarettes. I said, okay, I need to stop smoking the cigarettes. That's good. Okay, I then need to stop drinking. That's good. I need to also stop doing drugs. That's good. And that type of decision-making process just led to better and better and better things until we arrive at these better results, which are 10 years later. And these are just day-to-day actions, making small decisions throughout a regular day-to-day basis. And I really hope that helps somebody else, that there's a lot of value from this and that can improve somebody else's life. And if anything, just reach out. I'm very happy to help. So have a great day, and thank you for watching this video. Cheers.